In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted post on Facebook. If you accidentally removed a post and want to bring it back, Facebook gives you a way to recover it through the activity log as long as the post is still available in your trash or recycle bin. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along on your phone. First, open the Facebook app and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you're using the account where the deleted post was originally published, since the recovery options are tied to that specific profile. Once you're inside the app, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can access more account-specific settings and activity controls. On your profile, look for the three dots below your profile picture and tap them. This opens a menu with additional options related to your profile. From there, select Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook stores a record of your actions, including posts you've deleted, archived, or managed in other ways. After the Activity Log opens, find and tap Trash or Recycle Bin, depending on the version of Facebook you're using. The name can vary slightly, but it serves the same purpose. This section contains posts that were deleted recently and may still be recoverable. Now browse through the list and look for the deleted post you want to restore. Take your time here, especially if you've deleted more than one item. It can help to check the date or preview text so you choose the correct post. When you find the post, tap the three dots next to it. This will open a small menu of actions for that item. From the options, select Restore to Profile. If Facebook asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm your choice. After that, the post should be restored to your profile and visible again in the same way it was before deletion. If you don't see the post in Trash or Recycle Bin, it may have already expired from Facebook's recovery window, so it might no longer be restorable. That's all it takes to restore a deleted post on Facebook. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to recover your post in just a few taps.